Hi Ray, I'm just using the Replace Media plugin, and I've replaced out an image, and I've used the not just replace the file, but replace the file, use the new file name, update all links option. And when I've done that, it's brought me to this page here, media file updated. Usually the image would be shown, and I've gone to the Wilson's Prom page. It should be here. I cleared the cache and the image files, and it's not loading. So I'm just going to quickly try a few things. Bear with me, and I'll see. So it was called now see, there it is. There it is there. It's back to how it used to be. That's how it used to be. So for some reason, this image did not update. And yeah, I might leave that with you to have a look at. I'll leave this image there. It'll be one of the most recent images in the image library. And I may supply you with the file as well. I think I'll give it to you and Upwork the actual file so that you've got that to play with. So could you have a look at that for me, please, when you get some time? That'd be great. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.